Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Now in this session I'm going to explain various data definition language commands. So we already discussed about various data definition language commands like create table, alter table with add column option, drop column option, change column, renaming column and renaming table, drop table. Let's see each and every command in detail. Now I'm just clear my screen, system space CLS. First I want to know what are all databases which are available in my system. So I'm using show databases. So there is no database. So first I'm going to create the database. These are the previous system given databases. Now I want to create a database called college_db. So my command is create database. Database name is college_db. Now I'm going to use show databases. Yes, college_db database is created. Now I'll use how I can select my specific college database by using the command use followed by college_db. Now I'm going to clear the screen. Now I want to see first any predefined tables are there in the databases. For that I'm using the command show tables. So the database is empty. Now I'll create the table. Create table student parenthesis student ID followed by integer, data type is int. The next field student name. The data type is varchar of 20, comma, that means how many characters length it will store? Maximum 20 characters. Next column is student address. The data type is varchar of 20, comma, student date of joining followed by date. The data type is date. Press semicolon. Now the table creation is completed. Now a table consists of 4 fields: student ID, student name, student address, date of joining. Now how can we see the structure of the table? By using the command describe student. Describe student. So if you are using the command describe student, it shows 4 columns with each and every data type, and is that particular field is having any constraints or not, and is the particular field is having any default values or not. Let's say if I want to see the list of tables in the database, as we already discussed, what is the command? Show tables. So when I type the show tables, it shows the list of tables which are available in the current database. When I can use the describe, when I can use show tables is very much required. Whenever I want to insert record into the student table, if you don't know the column names and column values, how many columns are there, and what is the data type of the column, and what is the constraint given by that particular column at the time of creating the table, and what are the default values are there, you cannot able to insert the records into the table. So that's the reason before doing any operation, either insert, delete, update, first you need to check the structure of the table, then you can try to insert the records into the table. So now we have just created the table. And what is the next data definition language command? So we have another data definition language command is alter table. So now I want to add one more column, that is student email ID. How I can add? So system CLS. Now I want to add a new column by using the command alter table. Alter table student add column is the command. What is the column you want to add? Add column email varchar of 20. Now a column is added. I need to check whether the column is added or not. How can I check? By using describe command. See, previously we have only 4 columns. Now we have added 5th column. Now, if you want to rename the particular column name, we are using alter table. How can I rename? Say for example, a column SADD, I want to rename it as address. Address. How can I do that? By using alter table followed by which table name? Student. So alter table followed by student table name. What is my command? I want to rename column. So for that we have change column command. Change column SADD. What is my existed column? SADD. SADD. How you want to change? Address. What is the data type? Varchar of 20. Yes, perfect. The table is altered. Now I need to check it. So here I am using up key, up arrow, so that all your previous commands will be displayed, and I press enter. Now previously we have the column name is SADD. Now the column name is address. Is it renamed or not? Yes, successfully renamed. Now again I want to change my column data type size from 20 to 30 of a particular field email. What can I do? Now I am repeating. I want to change the data type of a particular column email from 20 to 30. As for that I am using command. What is the command? Alter table, table name followed by modify column. Modify column. What is the column you want to modify? Email as a varchar of 30. Previously it is 20. Now I changed as a 30. Now shall I check whether it is updated or not? Yes, let's see. Yes, previously the varchar size is 20. Now the email data type size is changed to 30. So this is the way we can modify the or increasing the size of the data type, or you can also change the data type also. It's all depends on your requirement. Now I want to drop the particular column email. I want to drop it. How can I do? Yes, let's see. Here is the command. Alter table, table name is student, drop column. Which column you want to drop? Email. While deleting the particular column, you no need to mention the data type and size and everything is not required. Only the column name is NF semicolon. So now the column is deleted, but I want to see whether it is deleted or not by using describe student. See here, previously we have email column. Now there is no email column. So this is the way we can do the changing all the structure fields, like we are adding the new columns, we are changing the data type, renaming the column, dropping the column, and modifying the particular size of the data type. Now let's see, the next command of data definition language is rename table. Let's say the previously we have the table name is student. Now I want to change it as student info. How can I do? The command name is rename table. Table name is, old table name is what? Student. To, what is the new table name? Student info. The table name is changed or not? How can I see? There are two ways. One is we can use show tables. Yes, now my table name is student info. Or you can use describe. Previously I am trying to say student. Now student is renamed as student info. Now is it shows if I use the describe student? No, it will get the error. What is the error? College db.student does not exist. What does it mean? You already changed student as student info. Now hereafter there is no table called student. It is renamed as student info. If you want to see, I am going to use student underscore info. You will get all the fields. So finally, so far I did not insert any records. The last command of data definition language is you want to drop the table. So if you want to drop the table, we have the command drop table. Student info is the table name. So table is deleted. Now what can I do? So I want to see whether table is available or not by using the command show tables. So empty set, that means there is no table available in the current database. So these are the commands belongs to data definition language. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning. In the next video, we'll discuss more in detail how to insert the records, how to delete the records, how to update the records as part of the data manipulation language commands. Thank you for watching this video. Till then, happy learning.